GPS quadcopter operation tutorial. Outdoor flight. First, power on the drone and then the remote control. After turning on, the drone will automatically link to the frequency. After linking successfully, long press the calibration button until you hear the beeping sound. The front and rear lights change from fast flashing to steady on, and the gyroscope is calibrated successfully. For the aircraft, then long press the geomagnetism button on the remote controller, another beeping sound. Next, pick up the drone and rotate it horizontally, clockwise until you hear the beeping sound. Then rotate the drone with its camera, facing downward vertically clockwise until hearing another beeping sound. And be patient while the drone is searching for satellite signals. When you hear the beeping sound, or check the satellite signal indicator in the upper right corner of the APP. If the number of stars is more than 9 stars, the satellite search is successful, and the takeoff operation can be carried out. Short press the unlock button on the lower left corner of the remote control, push the throttle slightly and take off. Basic operation demonstration. APP operation demo. Scan to download and install the APP that is compatible with your device. Turn on your phone and connect it with the drone's Wi-Fi network. Once done, open the APP and mount your phone to the holder to start the flight. GPS Flight Planner. Click on the flight planning icon on the APP, then design the flight path on the screen. Next, click on the airplane icon to enter flight planning mode. GPS Follow Me mode. GPS Point of Interest. Indoor flight. After turning on the drone and the remote control, long press the GPS button to turn off the GPS function. At this time, the drone's front light flashes slowly and you can fly indoors. Short press the unlock button on the lower left corner of the remote control, push the throttle slightly and take off. Charging demo. When the drone battery is charging, the green light flashes. When it is full, the green light is always on. When the remote control is charging, the green light is always on, and when it is full, the green light is off.